Mr. T versus Clamp Champ. Masters of the Universe verse 18. Come on, son. Come on, fool. Come on. Stay on this side of the tracks. No, I'm coming back. Ew, 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 ew. Body slam. Boom. Mr. T gets up. Mr. T said, I bet fool mess with me. Ew. Mr. T hits him with a Rocky shot. Clever and Lane style. Oh no. Clamp Champ says, let me get this car. Boom. Knocks Mr. T over. Then Clamp Champ lifts up the railroad track. Mr. T says, no. Ew. Clamp Champ goes down. The battle of the ages. Mr. T versus Clamp Champ. Pow! Clamp Champ throws Mr. T down again. Then Mr. T gets up and says, okay, I had enough. Come here, let's shake hands.